In this video, we are going to see how we can set up the reorder level for all the items so that we make sure always that we are not short of stock. And if we short below a certain quantity, it should automatically notify you or prepare a sample order waiting for us to execute. So if you want to set a reorder level for particular items, you can just go to the items tab here on the left hand corner. And we are in the new branch, so let's switch the company where we already have some stock. Let me just switch to Elite Traders. We just click on manage and click on go to organization. And now we are in Elite Traders. Let's go to items again, click on items. And here we already have some items. Stock on hand is 516 for Corolla windscreen. So let's click on that. And if we want to set the reorder level on an existing item, we just need to click on this little pen icon, which is for edit. So when we click on edit, you should be able to see the reorder point in the track inventory for this item area. But if not, just close out of here and just click on these three dots in the more actions and click on preferences. Once we click on preferences, we need to enable two areas, that is prevent stock from going below 0, and click on notify me if an item's quantity reaches the reorder point. So enable both of these. What this will do is it will automatically activate the reorder point field in the edit inventory option. What we can also do is just click on show an out of stock warning when an item's stock drops below 0, just in case. So click save. Close settings, go to the items again, click on the windscreen, click on edit again. And if we scroll down, now we are able to see the reorder point option. So for this particular inventory, let's make the reorder point to 400 pieces. Click save. So right now our stock on hand for this particular item is 516. What we can do is just click on sale and let's make the sale of this item, and quantity should be 120. Let's say I'm selling to Albert on the current date, and the item is Corolla windscreen, and I'm selling 120 pieces. So save and send. Click send. And now if I go to items and click on items, stock on hand is 396, which is below 400 level. Now we can see that even though the quantity falls below the reorder point, still it is unable to show the reorder report or any kind of recommendation, and neither it is giving any kind of notification here. So that's because this is the part of advanced inventory options. And if you want to enable this, just close out of here, just click on these three dots and click on preferences again. And here we click on this option. If you're looking for advanced inventory management features, integrate the Zoho inventory. So click on Zoho inventory. And I want to try Zoho inventory because this involves a lot of functions like advanced inventory management, back order, composite item, multiple warehouse management, and much more. So this looks nice. Click on try Zoho inventory. And we are already the part of the trial version, so it will automatically activate it as soon as you just click on it. It says, awesome, you're already signed in, access Zoho inventory. I want to join it in the Elite Traders, and just click on all of this is already set. Click on get started, and it shows the welcome message, show me around you if you want to explore it via Zoho guide, or otherwise just click on no thanks, I'll explore it. Now if we click on inventory, we have a couple of more options. We have the options to create item groups as well, and now it shows the reorder level in a separate column. As you can see, the interface is a little bit different now. Let's try it on some other item now. Let's do it on Prius rear lights. Click on edit, and now the interface is also little bit more advanced. We have the SKUs, stock keeping unit, dimensions, manufacturer, and many other fields are here. And also the opening stock. Okay, right now let's see the quantity on hand. So we have the stock on hand of 540. So let's make the reorder point to 500. Click save. This is for rear lights. And now let's try to save any rear light. Click on invoices, click plus, select any particular customer. This is previous rear lights, and we want to sell 50 quantity, and let's save and send. Add a person. I've added an email and click send. Let's remove this placeholder and this percentage as well. Click send. And that's it. Now once we have done it, what we can do is just click on the items and click on all items to search for the low stock items. Now we have these filters, so you can mark this as favorites as well. So as we click on this low stock items, it will automatically recommend the ones which are below the reorder level or on the reorder level. Now if we also want to set the low stock item preferred vendor, that means whenever the stock goes below a certain quantity or below the reorder level, it should automatically recommend the order in the vendors field, in the vendors filter for the preferred vendor. So let's go to edit again and scroll down until you see this purchase option, and from here just select Mr. Daniel, let's say, click save. And now if we go to purchases and click on vendors, we can also filter it from active vendors, from reorder items vendor. So what we need to do is whenever it recommends something like this in this filter, just click here, and it shows that some items associated with this vendor are low in stock. It will automatically detect that and click on order now. If you want to order, we just have to calculate the difference so that it can top up the low quantity. Let's say the reorder level is 500 and the stock in hand is 490 right now. It will automatically calculate the quantity that we need to order. So after that, we just need to click on this and click on add. And the new purchase order field will be automatically filled with all the details along with the inventory and the quantity required. We just have to save this. Let's click on save and send. Let's click on save and select and send. So this is how you can manage the inventory in a better way by managing the reorders levels by just activating the advanced inventory option. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.